Dear YouTubers, technology is taking over. You won't have to write scripts no more. You won't have to write titles no more. You won't have to brainstorm thumbnails no more. Because I just found the best tool in the entire world. Now I'm sure we all know VidIQ. They've always been known for their tools and extensions. And they might have just gave us the best tool ever. It is called AI Coach. It is a tool that you can ask questions to so you can help your channel. For example, you could say, give me an idea for a Minecraft gaming thumbnail, and it will search for the best ideas on the internet. Let me show you the tool in real life. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a couple of examples of what I mean by this thing, because it actually is really good. I've tried it a few times and I just want to give you a few examples. So I could put something like, what are the best free apps to make thumbnails? And all you literally have to do is just click the send button, and then it will have a little think about it, and then it will give you an amazing response to whatever you asked it. Something you could also ask is, what are the best free apps for editing YouTube videos? Would you look at that? I even got some more options. I've not even tried half of these before. Woohoo! If you want to know more about why YouTube Shorts are killing your channel, then I recommend watching this video here. Bye guys.